Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can upload videos on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, at the top of your screen you will find what's on your mind section. Now in order to upload video, tap on photo/video. Then select the video that you want to add on Facebook. After you have selected the footage, tap on next. Then after, you can adjust various features such as you can tag other people, you can share your location and so on. Furthermore, you can also edit your video by going to edit option. Now in the edit section, you can add audio, text, effects, stickers and so on. After you are satisfied, tap on next. After you have adjusted the features and edited your video, you are now good to go. Tap on post on the top right side and your video will be uploaded on Facebook. So in this way you can easily upload videos on Facebook. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.